Jai Hind friend, my name is Amit Yadav. I am from Mirzapur. Currently, I am from Mirzapur. I passed my class 12 in 2020. Currently, I am pursuing my BSc. My hobby is playing cricket. There are 6 members in my family. My father is a businessman and my mother is a homemaker. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives adventurous and disciplined career. At 60th Independence Day, it was a great vision to every citizens of India. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi coined the term "Make in India," which is used to encourage and enhance our economy and promote the businesses across the country. Many MNCs company offers to settle their company in India so that there are lot of employments enhanced to work in the company. At last, I would like to say that this Make in India will boost our economy and one day we will progress lot. Thank you.
Hello friend, my name is Abhilash Premsi from Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. I passed class 12th in 2022 from UP Board. Currently, I am pursuing BSc AG from KP College, Prayagraj. Today's our topic is Make in India. Make in India project initiative and innovated by our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi on 16th Independence Day. The main motto of Make in India is to interact the foreign countries for investing and so that our millions youth to get job opportunities and to increase our income level. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shyam Sundar Rai and I am from Mhow district of UP. I have qualified my matric exam in 2019 and intermediate in 2021. So today we have a new topic of Make in India project. So my friend told about Make in India project when it launched and what is motto. But I think in my personal opinion, it's a great initiative by our PM. It helps in our India to get a better economy country, and it helps in to boost our Indian industries also. Our PM banned many other apps, Chinese apps like PUBG, TikTok, but
now let's start group discussion.
Okay,
The topic is Make in India. Its main objective to create the employment for our youth generation.
Yes, brother. And we can see nowadays India is the most developing country in the world. And we also see that the one international head office of international agreement, that is ISL, is in India in Gurgaon. That is due to Make in India project, that is ISL, International Solar Alliance.
Its main objective to attract the foreign countries and trying to set up their business in our country, means India.
Yes, I agree with you, and we can see that before 2014 the per capita income of the Indian people were very low. But by the launch of this scheme, we can see that income and the per capita income of the people is growing day by day. And we can see that a lot of factory coming from the across of the world, and a lot of companies of India also growing day by day. And there are a lot of new innovations. We can see that more than 100 companies are growing over 1,000 crores. So we can see that after the coming of this initiative, the India's economy and the people of Indian culture, also the people's country's strength is growing day by day.
Yes, dear friends, as we know, there are many foreign companies in India which give us Indian people job and employment, which is important for us.
Yes, its main motto is first develop India.
Yes, sir, we can see that in the government of India is also helping us to make it scheme very easy. They are reducing the tax to the foreign country, and also they are doing very less. They are giving very less tax to the companies who are in India also.
Yes, by the help of this scheme, Make in India, now India ranked 63rd among the 190 countries.
Yes, of course.
Yes, friend, you are absolutely right. But Indian economy will increase when every sector, each and every sector from rural to urban, gives every opportunity, and local vendors and local farm vehicles. PM
Yes,
Modi
I
has
agree with you.
Yes, we can see that by after coming this scheme, the cost of the things are very less than previous. Before 2014, we can say that a single phone that was more than 10,000, but we can purchase it from less than 5,000 also now. So we can
It's
see
been contributed towards our GDP also.
Yes,
Our
yes,
GDP
yes,
nowadays we can see that our GDP is growing day by day.
yeah.
As
You
we
are
know,
in-
friends, everything is interlinked. As many companies are coming, so these are the creating jobs in our India. So the employment rate, unemployment rate is decreasing, and also it reduces the poverty, and it also supporting the way of living.
Yes, recently we can see that the companies like Apple are coming across the world, like the factory that was in Singapore coming in India, and lot of companies that were in China are also coming in India. So we can see that the main scheme was to attract the foreign companies in India, and we can be happy that we are good in it and going forward to it in a easy way.
Yes, friend, you have said that Chinese company is coming to India, but from these days, totally Chinese company had banned,
Yeah, we banned a lot
India
of apps
is now on
Also
the
the
track of
apps we have banned.
self-reliant.
Yeah,
Like-
a lot of more than
like TikTok.
75.
Okay, I would like to point out that India got freedom 78 years before, but now it's a developing country. So the main motto is of Make in India project is to build an India as a developed country like China and America and many others.
Yes, friend, as you said, India is developing country. One of the biggest reason behind that is more population.
Yes.
When country is developed, when there is a limited population and GDP is high, then it will consider as
Yeah.
Development.
And the most important thing that we should take care of that we should also support our system. That we due to some cost we purchase the things that are from another country. So we should also try to purchase that things which are made in India, and maybe that cost little bit more, but by this you can serve your nation, and also it will help to enhance the Indian economy.
As Amit said, the population of India is very high, but the job requirement and the job gets people is very less. So by this project, Indians got very well job, and like Apple company, Google company, and other IT companies, which help India in economy are very good.
Yes, I will agree with
It
you.
causes that
Its main aim to interact foreign companies to invest their money and build their products, and it's a very good opportunity to employment for Indian youth.
But brother, we should also not forget that through Make in India scheme, there are many Chinese companies came in India, and they create their monopoly in India business.
Yes, so we should buy the Indian products in the market, and we should find out which is the Indian product and which is the Chinese and other market products.
and boycott
But bro,
the foreign product.
Yeah, right.
But brother, Chinese products are very cheap
as compared to Indian
as compared to
Yes,
Yes,
yes, bro, you are right, but
But
it
it won't
increases the
be-
GDP of Chinese now.
This is the best reason. This is the best reason because why people is going to Chinese product and other foreign products, because it is cheaper than Indian products.
Yes, dear friends, as we know, Make in India scheme is main goal of this to self-dependent India. By this, we can develop our country easily.
Yes, brother, I am agree. We can see the Russia-Ukraine war. In Russia-Ukraine war, Ukraine is dependent on others, and we can see the situation of Ukraine, and we can learn from this.
When our economy will be boosted, our India will be competitive country.
Yes, brother, and making India this program also helped of India to and
Now our
support
economy
the
is
supervision
growing day by
of
day.
to being superpower in 2047.
Now I would like to conclude it. in a simple way. If the India slogan that Vishwaguru, if you want to make it real, then you have to make sure that the things, the goods you are buying, that must be made in India. And we should always try to make awarenesses to the people. By that they can help the nation to enhance the economy and also to boost the per capita income. Thank you.
I would like to add a point in this, because as we seen in the logo, tiger with a mechanical body, so it represents our India, that with power and with strength and innovative ideas.
Yes, that's
Thank you.
जहां बनते हैं देश के गौरव, इंडिया का एकमात्र ऐसा कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट जहां कैडेट्स को ट्रेन किया जाता है आने वाले डिफेंस एग्जाम के अनुसार। अगर आपका भी सपना है भारतीय सेना में शामिल होकर देश की सेवा करने का, तो आज ही ज्वाइन करें त्रिशूल डिफेंस एकेडमी।